In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pull-down menu in a Tableau dashboard. This process is quite straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, making your data visualization more interactive and user-friendly. Let's get started. First, open the Tableau desktop app. Ensure you have it installed on your computer and launch it to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll need to open your worksheet. This is where you typically handle data and create visualizations. From here, navigate to the dashboard option in the app's menu. This is crucial because a pull-down menu will be integrated into a dashboard for enhanced interactivity. Select the sheet you want to add your pull-down menu to. If you have multiple sheets in your project, ensure the one you pick is directly related to where you need the interactivity. There's an arrow icon that acts as a redirect. Click on it to return to your chosen sheet. Now that you're on the correct sheet, it's time to select a dimension. This is key because the dimension you choose will determine the values displayed in your pull-down menu. Drag this dimension to the filters area. This action sets the groundwork for filtering data based on users' drop-down selections. After dragging the dimension into filters, a dialog box will appear. Here, you should select Use All. This ensures that every available option from the dimension can be used in your drop-down, offering comprehensive filtering capabilities. Once you've selected this, click on the Apply button, then OK to confirm your settings. With these preliminary steps out of the way, return to your Tableau dashboard. This is where the fun begins. Look for the drop-down menu option and select a filter from the given choices. This filter corresponds to the dimension you previously added to filters. Now it's time to drag this filter to your preferred area within the dashboard. Consider usability and accessibility when choosing the location so users can easily find and use it. After positioning your filter, there's a final adjustment to be made. Click on the drop-down again and this time select the single value drop-down option. This selection changes the filter to a pull-down menu, enabling users to choose just one value at a time, simplifying their interaction with the data. And there you have it, a pull-down menu embedded into your Tableau dashboard, enhancing its functionality. This dynamic feature allows users to filter the data set seamlessly. Whether you're presenting data to an audience or analyzing trends, a pull-down menu makes the process more intuitive and accessible. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you create more interactive data presentations.